Your patio looks like a total disaster zone. Cushions piled everywhere, garden tools scattered all across the deck, pool toys taking over your entire outdoor space. You need serious storage that actually works, right? Today, I'm showing you the top 5 best large deck boxes you can grab on Amazon right now. All the product links are waiting for you down in the description box. Let's dive in. Coming in at number 5, we've got the Lifetime 60012, and this thing is an absolute workhorse. Seriously, it earned Consumer's Digest Best Buy status for a reason. You're getting a massive 130 gallons of storage space that swallows cushions, tools, and pool gear without breaking a sweat. The construction here, UV-protected high-density polyethylene, which means this box literally laughs at sun damage while other brands are fading and cracking after one summer. That spring-hinged lid opens beyond 90 degrees and prevents that slam-shut disaster that crushes your fingers with cheaper boxes. What really impressed me was the customization factor. You can install shelves and dividers inside to organize your chaos exactly how you want it. Plus, the 900-pound bench capacity means you're getting extra seating for backyard parties without worrying about collapse. That's huge. Here's what you should know, though. The assembly requires about an hour of your time and some careful attention to detail. Some folks mentioned the panels can be tight during fitting, so having lubricant like Vaseline on hand makes the process way smoother. The value proposition is killer. You're getting a 10-year limited warranty that absolutely destroys the competition, and you're paying significantly less than premium Keter models. For homeowners who need reliable outdoor storage without that premium price tag, this is your champion.
At number 4, the Keter Westwood 150-gallon brings style and function together in a package that looks genuinely expensive. You're getting that beautiful wood plank aesthetic without any of the maintenance nightmares real wood creates outdoors. Pretty sweet deal. The storage capacity hits 150 gallons, which translates to fitting 8 full chair cushions plus love seat backs with room left over. That's no joke. That polypropylene resin construction with steel reinforcement means you're getting furniture-grade strength that doubles as comfortable seating for 2 full-sized adults. 660 pounds capacity. What caught my attention in user reviews was the hydraulic piston system. This isn't some flimsy lid that crashes down on your hands. The automatic opening mechanism lifts smoothly and closes gently every single time, even when you're juggling armfuls of cushions. Game changer. Here's the reality check, though. This box is weather resistant, not fully waterproof. Normal rain gets handled perfectly fine, but heavy wind-driven storms can push small amounts of moisture through the lid gap. Adding outdoor silicone sealant after assembly solves this completely, so not a huge deal. The sophistication here is unmatched in this price range. You're getting that natural wood-paneled finish that elevates your entire patio aesthetic, built-in ventilation that prevents musty smells, and carrying handles for easy repositioning. For homeowners who want storage that looks like intentional outdoor furniture, this absolutely delivers. Rolling in at number 3, the DRATO 180 is the reinforced beast that prioritizes structural integrity above everything else. You're getting 54¼ inches of length that accommodates those awkward, oversized items other boxes completely reject. The engineering here separates this from generic competition. 3 reinforced crossbars work with hydraulic supports to create a lid system that stays open hands-free while you're loading. No more fighting gravity while trying to shove your leaf blower inside with one hand. Seriously annoying problem? Solved. What really stood out during my research was the waterproof construction quality. This isn't just water-resistant marketing speak. Users in rainy climates reported bone-dry interiors after months of heavy storms, which means your expensive power tools stay rust-free season after season. That's money saved right there. Here's what you need to consider.
The 180-gallon capacity means this box has a larger footprint than compact models. Measure your deck space carefully before ordering, because this thing needs a dedicated corner or wall position to sit properly without blocking walkways. The durability factor is exceptional. You're getting UV-resistant construction that prevents that sun-bleached fade cheaper boxes suffer within one summer. Lockable design with reinforced hasps for theft protection, and that smooth, controlled opening that eliminates finger pinch disasters.
At number 2, the Keter Denali 200-gallon enters as the premium powerhouse, with dual-wall construction that literally redefines outdoor storage durability. You're getting 200 gallons of cavernous space inside double-walled 20mm panels that provide structural strength other single-wall boxes simply cannot match. The Duotech resin technology here mimics natural wood grain beautifully, while completely eliminating the rot, warping, and constant maintenance real wood demands outdoors. That steel-reinforced lid handles the weight of decorative planters or serving trays without flexing or sagging over time. What genuinely impressed me in long-term user reviews was the hydraulic piston longevity. Even after years of daily use, owners reported smooth, effortless opening without the piston failure that plagues cheaper alternatives. This box maintains its premium feel season after season. Here's the honest consideration, though. The Denali sits at a higher price point than basic models on this list. You're paying extra for those double walls and premium construction, so budget-conscious buyers might find better value in simpler options. Just keeping it real with you. The sophistication factor is undeniable. You're getting a paintable and drillable surface for complete customization, that gorgeous wood look finish in gray and black tones, and built-in ventilation that keeps stored items fresh. For homeowners investing in permanent outdoor storage that looks intentional and lasts decades, this premium choice delivers exceptional long-term value. And taking the number 1 spot, the YITAHOME XXL 240-gallon is the absolute king of storage capacity that solves every outdoor organization problem in one massive container. You're getting 240 gallons of space that swallows everything from full patio furniture sets to entire collections of pool equipment. The patented structural design here creates enhanced stability that prevents the warping and sagging that destroys oversized boxes from lesser brands. That hydraulic piston lid opens smoothly despite the extra-large size, and the soft close mechanism protects both the box and your fingers from impact damage. What absolutely sold me during research was the triple-person bench seating capacity. This isn't just storage pretending to be furniture. This is legitimate outdoor seating that handles backyard gatherings while hiding your entire collection of cushions, tools, and toys inside. Here's what you should know. The XXL size means assembly takes about 30 minutes and requires adequate deck space for the footprint. Measure twice before ordering, because this beast needs proper positioning to function without overwhelming smaller patios. The championship value is crystal clear. You're getting a built-in lockable latch with the actual padlock included in the box, waterproof all-weather construction that protects expensive equipment year-round, and versatility as poolside bench, coffee table, or pure storage. For families with serious outdoor storage demands, this is the ultimate solution that eliminates clutter permanently. Those are your top 5 champions for large outdoor storage. Check those Amazon links down in the description box and grab the one that fits your space. Your organized patio is waiting. Thanks for watching.